we should start digging. It's near. Oh my god, it's under Sheepy
Gee,
Sheep.
I wonder why.
Sheepy Sheep has a stronghold, guys.
Isn't this also the same thing I suggested yesterday?
Doctor,
Like I said,
That's
maybe
great.
it's at Sheepy Sheep.
Wait a minute, so there's a stronghold right above Sheepy Sheep?
Under.
Yes, it's
Maybe.
Above.
Are you sure it's like right where you're digging under?
Found it, guys! I found it.
Yes.
No.
I found a dungeon.
Wow.
Oh, I think the dungeon is found. Oh yeah, we already found this dungeon.
I found the
whoa.
mob spawner.
Guys, I can't believe it. It's under Sheepy Sheep. Isn't that really funny?
We found the third ender portal.
Oh my god,
Wow.
I have a Bane of Arthropods 3 sword. I can do this. I can do this.
Silverfish.
Watch out for the
Guys, we
silverfish.
found it.
I'm going to go loot.
Sheepy
I
Sheep
just
has
said,
a
this is
stronghold.
a good area to make a place, and it
Hey,
was. 'Cause
Since
we're
my house is
stronghold.
destroyed, can I make that stronghold my house?
No.
No.
It's CDC property.
Well, you guys are a-holes.
Hey,
We
good.
tried.
Okay, now we call it
waypoint,
Sheepy Sheep
Add Stronghold 3. Exo is gonna be like, oh my god. Oh my god.
Oh my god, Stronghold Sheepy Sheep Farm.
Stronghold 3. Found.
I find it like it's a
It also
coincidence
connects
where
to
everything I suggested.
Whoa, this is a really messed up stronghold. It's all like.
By the same ponies.
Fountain! The fountain is dead. Aw. Oh, the stronghold goes like in a cave.
Brent wants us to pacify.
Whoa, I found an abandoned mine shaft.
Brent wants us to what?
Pacify.
I found an abandoned mine shaft.
I can't hear you, Sarge. Someone keeps talking in front of you. What?
So, Bert wants us to pacify this place.
What do you mean?
Pacify. Put up lights.
So, like. What?
Put up lights everywhere.
Oh, I hate the iron doors.
Dude, balloons are fun. I love balloons.
What are you doing?
Okay, I found a dungeon.
Ooh! What's it called? Mushrooms. They're mine.
Yay, I found
Oh,
gold.
dead end.
How can I help but notice the lack of libraries in here? Like,
No!
So what are we gonna do for this, stronghold?
No, I burned! No!
Make this,
3 apples and an iron pickaxe.
Help me!
What's wrong?
I'm on fire.
Whoa, you're really low.
I like this fountain.
Okay,
Mark, have a
fire
plan.
stuff.
we should totally make this place Sheepy Sheep, base. Like, this is where Sheepy Sheep's main area is, under the whole place. That's,
Yeah, it can be like the offices. We don't have to build any buildings or anything.
yeah.
Have you guys found any libraries?
I believe Doctor
Nope.
mentioned it.
What did you say,
I
sir?
said,
No.
I'll activate the end portal. Is that okay, Marshy? If I can activate
Sure. Oh, I found a whole new area.
In the end now.
I hope you guys are lighting everything up.
Oh, I'm not. I don't have any torches anyway.
Shall we?
Yeah, you're the lighter upper. Jail cells. Ooh, a chest.
Oh, I see.
Oh,
Ender
it's
portal is
muted.
activated.
Yeah, I activated the ender portal because I was bored. And I'm gonna tell Bern
Oh
that.
yeah, there's a golden apple in one of the chests.
Because golden apples are totally hard to make. I mean, all it is one gold ingot and one gold
The
apple.
only thing
Or
I
one
found was
apple. Duh.
lava.
Whoa, an
Yeah, but
enderman
if you're a
and
Minecraft veteran or
tons
something, it feels
of
good finding one.
monsters.
I've been playing.
Found an abandoned mineshaft earlier.
I'll tell you what it feels
Oh,
good to
God.
find is a golden apple inside of a Hunger Games chest. That is like finding a giant diamond sword or something.
I told Brent to sign on and look at this place.
Yeah, it's really connected to caves. Ooh, I found 2 diamonds. Oh yeah. This stronghold is really big. It's much bigger than the other one. Gold.
Oh god, piece of the stronghold is floating in midair.
Oh jeez, I found the library.
You found it?
Yeah, I found the library.
This cave doesn't help, like, at all.
Yo, bro, I hope you don't I hope you don't have a sword, because I really like your armor.
I fell down a ravine.
Woohoo! One sec, doctor. Yeah, accept. Okay.
Okay, the stronghold is very weird.
It's very less secure than the other one.
Yes.
You know what's going to be fun? Covering up all the cave entrances.
Oh yeah, oh my god. The sheep can't get out. If we do put sheep in this, which we don't have
We
to,
won't.
it's
This place is just gonna be. This place is just gonna be our offices for the Sheepy Sheep Farm.
yeah. We can just not occupy. We can only occupy the rooms that are secure. We don't have to like the place I'm at. This place is gonna be really annoying to port up. I think we should leave that the way it is.
But think of the chest.
Chest?
Chest, the loot, the valuable.
No, I mean like we don't occupy it for like offices and stuff. Like obviously we're gonna loot it.
Are you guys mining?
This place will not be touched. All the walls will stay the same.
Yeah.
No, you.
Because it's gonna be the offices of epicness.
No, the glitching slime.
No, you.
Fountain totally needs fixed though.
Yeah.
Oh, this is a fine fountain.
Renovations and shit.
There are 2 fountains in this stronghold, and this one's fine. The other one is like leaking all over. I like this, and then we can put windows here. Oh, that would be
Whoa,
like windows on the
gold.
other side of the fountain.
Yeah, and also
And we could keep some sheep in the jail cells. Make them hospitable for sheep. Oh, whoa. This thing is... Oh. No. Ah.
you know what this is? This the stronghold's messed up for a reason. It's connected to a ravine.
No,
Yeah, I know.
You guys
It's
already
connected to a
established.
lot of stuff. Obviously, it's messed up for a reason. There's like X-ray tricky thing. Oh. Oh, never mind. Hey, look, a mine shaft. get all your mine chest needs right here, don't you?
I didn't point that out like 5 times already.
Oh. I can't believe it's right under Sheepy Sheep. Sorry. You picked just the right place.
I always do. Like I said, I just saw when I saw this place, I just saw a clear open field that would be great to dig holes in. Found a office room for a awesome office.
I claim the library as my office. Because I
This
just
is a
really
very
don't.
huge stronghold.
I'm
Yeah, I
lost.
know.
Because of the cave system it's in.
I'm gonna try to find the
I
library
hear
and put a
you,
waypoint
Dan.
there. Whoa! Hello, zombie. This is much bigger than the other one.
Yes, indeed.